Some rope materials are actually pretty slippery, and I find larger cordage can come undone a little easier because you have to put a lot of pressure on to dress that up and tighten it up. And there could be other times when you really want some more security. So we want to look at the double sheet bend. We're still going to take that bite, take a little bit more cordage. Every time you're doing a double, add some more. Pull that around, and then we're going to come underneath, but we're not done here. So we got all this extra cordage, and you guessed it, we just wrap it around again. So if you take a look in there, before I tighten that down, I've just come around once, come around twice, still pulled it out over top of the bite. It's going to pull down on itself, 2 layers of itself, so that we get even more security. And the odds of that coming up are going to be a heck of a lot less. This works really well with the slippery ropes, larger knots, and give you more security. Take a look. Very similar to the sheet bend, and that's the double sheet bend.